Nithyananda everyone, we welcome each and every one of you once again to this video. So today we are going to be learning about the instrument called as the kombhu. So why, first thing, why it is called as the kombhu? You see, right, usually you see here the kombhu is designed in such a way like the cow's horn. In Tamil, the cow's horn is called as the maatu kombhu. So that kombhu word is derived from that cow's horn. So from there the name has come because it gives the shape of a cow's horn, because it gives the shape of a maatu kombhu. So it is called as the kombhu. Okay. So and it is generally made out of brass. You can see. So it is made out of the brass, and for any festival or any performance, suppose you take, if you are going to perform the Kailasa full performance, or anywhere you are going to be showcasing this, or anyway you are going to be demonstrating these vadyams. Whenever these vadyams are played, the person who is blowing the kombhu is given the first and the foremost respect amongst the people who are playing the instrument, playing the Kailaya vadyam. So this kombhu is generally played when we welcome Parameshwara himself, or Swamiji, Guru, or a king. When the king is approaching to any place, when the king is, suppose you take, when the king is coming from the palace to the temple, or the temple gate, this kombhu is played first. So when the kombhu is being played, it is like welcoming a king or Parameshwara himself or Swamiji, Guru. So usually kombhu is played for those purposes only. So now I am going to be demonstrating to all of you how to blow this kombhu. So you generally take it like this, and so welcoming, you just, so it's like this, and you hold it, and when anyone is, like suppose Swamiji is approaching to temple, so before Swamiji enters into that place, so before Swamiji entering into the temple gate, you just before Swamiji enters, you take the kombhu and start blowing it. Okay. So now I am going to be demonstrating it for all of you. So you take it like this and place it whichever place you are comfortable with. I am comfortable in the side of the lips. Some people, mostly generally everyone plays in the center. So but for me I am comfortable in the side, so I just take it like this and play it. Okay. So basically that's how you blow the kombhu. So thank you, Nithyananda.